Joining us at Radio Tamworth is Dr Ben Atkins, President of the Oral Health Foundation. The two on how the pandemic has affected our smiles. You see what I did there? Whether it's been covered by a mask or reflected back to us on Zoom, the pandemic has put smiles at the front of our mind. Video calls may have kept us close to friends, family and colleagues, but 1 in 10 UK adults has also become more self-conscious of their look and their smile. Interestingly, 40% of men are more self-conscious of their smile in social interactions such as dates, meetings or video calls in comparison to 30% of women. Half of Brits have had dental care appointments delayed as a result of the pandemic and have turned to social media for advice. Nearly 2/3 of women have been struggling to form connections with others following the introduction of face masks. So we thought, who better than an oral health expert, Dr Ben Atkins, to give us the lowdown on smiling.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. This is a very interesting survey, isn't it?
Oh, it's phenomenal. The work that the foundation have done with Invisalign to understand people's psyche coming out of, do you know what? Celebrating where we are, looking for as the foundation, an opportunity to make people aware of their smiles, their mouths, can only be a good thing for us preventing decay. The challenge now is using, for me, oral health to be one of those things we can control. One of those things we can change. We can brush our teeth twice a day. That little fight with my kids is a little bit of a challenge.
Oh, we've all had that.
Absolutely. That snacking frequency has been horrendous through the journey where our diets have changed. And also understanding that contacting your dental practice to say, where am I coming back to see you? My patients have been absolutely amazing for not worrying about it. They know we're a professional practice coming in. We've been there all the way through the pandemic. We've supported our patients, but now we've got to start thinking, getting back into normal. So those statistics of patients being aware of their smiles, the Zoom boom, if you like, looking at your smile whilst you're meeting, is a massive choice that we can say, I'm going to change for the better.
I find it interesting that the data said men are more self-conscious of their smile in certain social situations than women. Did that surprise you?
Do you know what? I actually was really pleased with that because men, we all know men, and we leave things to the last minute.
Yes.
We're so busy, blah, blah, blah. And what we find is women and mums traditionally, not now, traditionally have been the ones that get back into going to the dentist after childbirth and that sort of stuff because they take kids. But having another reason for men to think, oh, my teeth are a bit dodgy, they're not looking good, it has to be celebrated because this is the cohort in society that we want to attack with their oral health, because we'll often find men have got worse teeth than women. So if this is a little stimulus, that's got to be celebrated.
Where could people find out more information if they're interested about this?
Our National Smile Month website called dentalhealth.org is really important. If they want to find information about braces, there's a Safe Brace website. It's called safebrace.org, which is run by the Oral Health Foundation and the British Orthodontic Society. And if they want to learn more about Invisalign, that sort of thing, it's just their Invisalign website.
You've only got one set of teeth and you've only got one smile. It's best if you look after it, eh?
Yeah, you've got to keep smiling.
You've got to keep smiling. Dr. Ben Atkins, thank you for talking to Radio Tamworth. Have a great day, mate.
Thank you very much, my friend.